So there you can see the pipe. So I took that off. There was a cable tie on it, little blue one, but it might be a different colour. So cut that, pull the pipe out, get your tin, put the extension on. So get that last little bit in there, and then take her for a spin. The good bit. Obviously, when you do take it for a spin, I'm going to use it. Put the gearbox in manual, keep the revs up above 2,000 RPM for a good 30 minutes. So I don't think you have to really cane it. You can give it a little blip, but this should hopefully loosen all the soot, which is blocking the DPF in one part of the DPF filter. So there is two parts to it, so hopefully it's not the ash side of it, but we shall see. So just so you can see live data, and then live data, particulate filter, enter on that, and then you've got this custom list. So obviously I can just do the ticks, but I'll do that again when I start the engine. So let's just get the rest of this tin in. I've had to stagger it a little bit and keep doing it in bursts, but it's nearly eaten all of it, so you just see it froth out the top.